everybody, this is Nora with NQ57 and I am here to do a quick review on Murron's peel off base coat and top coat. Okay, if you're not familiar with Murron, I have reviewed for them before. So they are known for their peel off gel polishes. I will have my link below of the video, the original video that I did reviewing their polishes. So yes, they now also have a peel off top coat, a clear gel top coat, and a base coat as well. And just to tell you a little bit about them, so these polishes are 10 toxic free, okay, vegan and cruelty free, right there on the label. I'll go ahead and zoom that in. And so I fell in love. I immediately fell in love with the packaging. Aren't these adorable? Very tropical looking with the colors. So you're going to see me. I will have a demonstration on this, on how I used it on my husband. I figured, yeah, sometimes you know, for those men that like to get their nails, their manicures, but don't like to go through the stress of either, you know, not drilling gel polish, but soaking it off with acetone, you can peel it off. And that was the intention of my testing, and see how that was going to go. So let me go ahead, before I show the demonstration, let me go ahead and let me go ahead and tune into the demonstration, and then I'll meet you back at the end for my thoughts about the application. Okay guys, so there you saw how that went. Let me go ahead and now, so just to speak a little bit about the formula on both of these products. Okay, so the base to me seem a little bit more viscosity than the typical gel base, which is normally a bit thin. That's not close all the way. And then same thing with the top coat. Okay, very much more thick viscosity than the typical gel top coat, almost like a builder base. So I'm curious, maybe I should give that a test and see if it will work as a builder base. Anyway, so the removal, as far as the peeling, I went ahead and waited a couple of hours, you know, let him expose the nails to UV outside, washing them, etc. A couple of the nails. And I did do one nail, preparing the nail very well, meaning taking all the shine off, prepping it just like you would for normal gel application. The other one, I went ahead and applied the product directly to his nail as it was, with no special preparation. And I wanted to see if it will make a difference on the removal, and it did not. I can't say that, you know, probably the one that I prepped looked a little bit nicer on him. I got his cuticle, but no difference on removing the product, on whether the nail was prepped or not. It did. I mean, as for being, because it is a peelable base, I will honestly say, you know, I don't know, because it does not peel as easy as their polishes do. I really had to scrape and scrape and scrape, but I could tell it, as I was scraping it off to peel it off, it was kind of like a gummy consistency. It was not like hard breaking. It was gummy. And it didn't harm his nail at all. I finished it with, you know, buffing the nail a bit and then applying some cuticle, and it was fine. There was no damage to his nail at all. So, but yeah, it was a bit stubborn to remove it. And so this is something that I will probably say it's a good idea, even maybe for toes. Maybe you don't want to soak off your toes, and you can use this as a base color, and then the top coat. Or if you just want them clear and become nice and manicure or pedicure, you can use the clear, both of them together, like I did on my husband. And y'all, I give him a matte look by just buffing the shine off of the top coat. So yeah, I will have the link down to these two items in the description bar below. If you guys have any questions, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Murron for sending me these beautiful products to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.